Now I am going to clear you the earthing. What do we mean by earthing? You might have seen or heard about the earthing. Earthing means the process of connecting electrical appliances, heavy electrical appliances to the earth with the help of a conductor. This process is called as earthing. If this is you can see electrical appliances. This is a refrigerator. This is a refrigerator, and it is made up of metal. So sometimes this happens that electricity comes on the body, due to which the operator, the person who is going to open the door of the refrigerator, get electrical shock. So when this refrigerator is connected with the earth with the help of a conductor, this is conductor, and this conductor is grounded in the earth, है ना, grounded in the earth, ये earth में ground किया हुआ है. So the earthing is the process of connecting electrical appliances, this is electrical appliances, with the earth through the conductor. This is known as earthing. Okay? And what is the benefit of earthing, doing earth, any electrical appliances? What happens if there is a leakage of electricity, which may cause dangerous to the person? Electrical shock may cause. From that, to prevent from the electrical shock, we do earthing. What does this earthing does? The leakage of electricity goes to the earth, due to which, if you are going to open the door of the refrigerator, you are going to touch the AC, you are going to touch any other electrical appliances. What will happen if there is leakage of electricity due to any difficulty, circuit fault? What will happen? The leakage of electricity is grounded, taken to the earth by this earthing. This is the wire, and it is connected to the earth and appliances, and hence this is the process of connecting these two things is earthing. So it prevents, this earthing is the safety device which saves us from the electrical shock. The function of earthing is it takes the leakage of current to the earth, leakage of current in the electrical appliances to the earth. Thank you.